Crunchy Fat Clean friends, this is how I pre-wet my mop pads. I like to run it under very warm water. Very important, you do not need scalding hot boiling water to mop your floors. You're actually going to ruin your floors with scalding hot boiling water. Don't do that. Comment to the side if you want a more in-depth explanation because I'm running out of time. So I pre-wet my mop pads with nice warm water, and then I like to spray it down with my Thieves all-purpose cleaning solution, or if you have like some type of floor concentrate, you can add it into your little bucket area. So I like to pre-wet them with warm water, put the cleaning solution on it, and then just kind of leave them for a few minutes while I finish doing whatever I'm doing, and then wring them out because you don't want sopping water all over the ground, and then possibly, warping the floor because it's too much water penetrating the wood especially. You want to wring it out, but you want it nice and damp, and then you just put it on your flat mop and mop. Perfect. Crunchy Fat Clean floors.